Welcome back, creators! We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated heat press machines. Heat press machines offer many benefits, including creating customized designs with ease. Using heat press machines will place your plans on many different products, from cloth to metal. Before, devices like heat press machines were only used commercially. However, due to the rise of DIY enthusiasts and domestic business owners, these machines have recently been in high demand. If you're one of these kinds of enthusiasts and business owners, then you definitely clicked on the right video. Today, we'll be going over 7 of the highest rated heat press machines in the market, so you can take your pick after watching. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the heat press machines that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first heat press machine in our list is the Cricut heat press machine. Cricut is known for making easy-to-use crafting machines for hobbies or those with small businesses, and this heat press machine is no exception. Results will last wash after wash, and you'll find that if there are any issues, you can easily repress adhesives for a few seconds to extend their wear time. In terms of size, it measures 12 by 10 inches and weighs 14 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cricut heat press machine a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: multi-purpose machine. The heat press machine makes it easy to take on any heat transfer vinyl or sublimation project that comes your way. Whichever project you choose, you can be confident in its precise temperature control. Portable and easy to travel with. The insulated safety base and auto shut-off features provide peace of mind, while the lightweight, portable, easy-to-store design makes it the ideal travel heat press. Excellent performance. Combining the speed of a heat press and the convenience of an iron, it gives you fast, effortless results that last. Precise temperature control. The ceramic-coated surface of the sophisticated heat plate allows for exact temperature control of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which can be monitored and regulated with an integrated timer. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is limited pressing size. Due to its portable and compact form factor, its working size can be a little too small for some people. The second heat press machine in our list is the Fierton heat press machine. This heat press machine from Fierton is another portable and easy operation unit that every starting DIY workshop needs. It has an easy press mat included, as well as a 5-color selection, making this a great option for kids and teens as well. Its dimensions are 12 by 10 inches and its weight is 10.53 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Fierton heat press machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: hands-free. After setting the appropriate time and temperature, you can leave it alone and do other things while it's working. In 60 seconds or less, you'll get the ideal pattern in your t-shirts or other things with the help of the heat press. Dual function. The heat press machine can be used for both heat press machines and ironing machines. This means you no longer have to buy a separate ironing machine anymore. Safety feature. 3 layers of heat-resistant construction insulate the external casing from the heat. Even if the hot press works for a long time, the handle will not burn your hands due to overheating. Wide range of use. The mini heat press machine doesn't just transfer thermal transfer stickers, but can also print sublimation paper. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the maximum temperature depends on the color of the unit. If you're looking to maximize the 450 degree Fahrenheit temperature limit, then you will have to get the black and white colors, since the other colors don't max out at the same temperature. The third heat press machine in our list is the TUSY heat press machine. The TUSY heat transfer press machine is unique and affordable among the best heat presses machines for multiple reasons. It's more compact than most machines, as it only encapsulates the essential parts with no fancy, unnecessary features. Additionally, the straightforward design makes this machine incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for starters or young kids. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the TUSY heat press machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: easy to use. The digital heat press can easily be used for t-shirts, pillows, bags, mouse mats, and more. In fact, it doesn't take much of a learning curve to master this machine. LCD control board. An LCD display shows the temperature in Fahrenheit and the heating time, so you can closely monitor each pressing job you do. Large size. The larger size of the heat press makes it helpful to make shirts of all sizes from baby to adult. This also makes it a perfect t-shirt press machine for industrial and professional use. Pressure adjustable. The t-shirt printing machine is fitted with a full-range pressure adjustment knob, so you can easily adjust the desired pressure according to the thickness of the material and better control the pressure during transfer. Safe anti-overheating feature. The heating plate of the heat press machine effectively dissipates heat, and it can automatically shut off when the temperature is overly hot, avoiding burning fire and other accidents. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is uneven heating. You don't get the same even heating across the entire heating element, which can be a liability when printing for professional purposes. The fourth heat press machine on our list is the VEVOR heating press machine. This heat press machine from VEVOR is the closest thing on our list of the best heat press machines to an all-in-one option. The unit is a 5-in-1 heat press machine that's designed to effectively provide heat transfers on a wide variety of items, especially vinyl. As for its size, it measures 20 by 18 inches and weighs 20 pounds. Trusted ShopPGuide.com has awarded the VEVOR heat press machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Versatile usage. The attached 5 accessories makes this a very versatile machine. These allow you to easily work in banners, blankets, hoodies, shirts, mugs, cups, hats, caps, plates, vinyl, cotton, metal, ceramics, and even glass. Teflon coated. A non-stick Teflon coating offers t-shirts extra protection while preventing sticking. Aside from that, a built-in loud beep will notify you once finished. 360-degree swing. The ceramic-coated surface of the sophisticated heat plate allows for exact temperature control of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which can be monitored and regulated with an integrated timer. Reliable and sturdy. The overheating protection and built-in circuit breaker protects the machine from electrical faults and overheating. Additionally, the silicone gel pad can withstand up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit of heat without distorting. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is inconsistent heating. As wonderful as the 5-in-1 unit is, there is a potential for uneven heating with a coated plate surface. The fifth heat press machine in our list is the SURPCOS heat press machine. This heat press machine from SURPCOS is a very worthwhile investment when it comes to taking your workshop more seriously. It comes equipped with a multi-spring balancer that makes sure to distribute pressure evenly so you can achieve the best outcomes. In terms of its size, it measures 15 by 12 inches and weighs 39 pounds. Trusted ShopPGuide.com has awarded the SURPCOS heat press machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Reliable and durable. The heat press machine's commercial-grade steel frame is built to last, ensuring that there are no issues with the intense heat drawn from heavy usage. Excellent printing. Its Teflon-coated plate reduces incidents of damages and also promotes easy and even transfer of heat. Additionally, a silicone pad and pressure adjustment knob change the pressure in tiny increments to suit the thickness levels of almost any material. Swing-away design. A full 360-degree rotation of the swing arm allows the heating element to be moved safely aside, reducing the chances of accidental contact and burning. Multifunctional heat press. The heat press machine comes with 1 Teflon-coated platen, 1 cap press, 1 mug press, and 2 plate presses, making it a highly versatile and great option for various jobs. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is confusing setup. The control panel can be a little difficult to set up, which demands a little bit of your time to understand and master. The 6th heat press machine in our list is the Fancierstudio heat press machine. If you're looking for the best t-shirt printer machine for shirt production, then this heat press machine from Fancierstudio is your perfect match. This machine has been specially designed to make it easy to transfer eye-grabbing, unique designs on your t-shirt. Its heating element's dimensions are 15 by 15 inches, and its weight is 43 pounds. Trusted ShopPGuide.com has awarded the Fancierstudio heat press machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Excellent printing. Being a commercial-grade model, you can use it to work on large t-shirt printing projects for your customers, and you can be sure to get repeat clients due to the excellent quality output by the machine. Teflon coated. The heating element features a Teflon coating to make it a non-stick surface. This prevents scorching cases of your transfers and saves you the hassle of looking for a separate silicone or Teflon sheet. Adjustable pressure. With the pressure adjustment knob that comes with this machine, you can adjust the machine temperature to match the thickness of the material you're working on. Temperature control. The digital temperature control makes it easy for you to preset the accurate temperature for a given fabric. Additionally, a digital timer with an audible alarm helps prevent overexposure. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's not a swing-away model. For its price and performance, we would have appreciated it more if it had a swing-away design for added safety during operation. 7th heat press machine in our list is the TUSY heat press machine. The F2C heat press machine can be considered as an all-in-one option for those who are not sure about the specifications or requirements of the job. This will definitely get the job done while keeping your workshop and yourself safe from harm. Thanks to certain safety features, in terms of size, it measures 12 by 15 inches with a weight of 50 pounds. Trusted ShopGuy.com has awarded the F2C heat press machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: swing-away design. Its 360-degree rotation swing-away design is great for preventing burning while operating and prevents the vinyl from curling up at the edges. Ease of access. The digital LED controller is placed at the front of the machine so you can see the temperature and time frame for which the machine will be active. Numerous attachments. The multi-purpose machine comes with 5 attachments to make this unit a versatile machine. These attachments include a cap printer, plate printer, and mug printer. Designed with safety in mind, there is built-in structural support present in the heat press machine to make sure the heating table stays perfectly well functional. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is onset. The shirt press gives off a weird smell after the first couple of uses, so we recommend doing test jobs first to get rid of it. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated heat press machines, which got our team at TrustedShopGuy.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next heat press machine roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShopGuy.com again soon.